Hi guys, I'm Codiso4 and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to go over the platform HFM markets. So we'll cover a lot of content with regards to this in upcoming videos, but for today's video we're going to go over basically how to sign up. And also I would like to introduce a future member to the O4 trading community, Mr. Dayan Peffer, as he will also be part of the channel from the future on, and it will also cover topics with regards to Forex and so on. So this is Dayan Peffer. Can you introduce yourself, Mr. D?
Hi, I'm Dan Peffer. I am Curtis 04's guinea pig. In this,
Guinea pig, yeah, but you also have the knowledge, yeah.
I will be opening up an account with HFM and you'll be going through the step-by-steps with me.
Yeah, so basically we'll just go over, like Dayan would be the guinea pig like he said, so just basically follow how he would do, basically sign up today, and also use this as a reference when you sign up yourself for HFM. So let's just get into today's video. So there's two ways. Firstly, I would also like to say is this channel basically all content on the channel is never financial advice. It's always good to do your own research before doing any type of investment. So the first step is basically just registering onto the platform. So there's two steps also. So the first step is basically just going onto the HFM website where you can do this, or you can do it by using the link down below. So firstly, the link will obviously support the channel, as this will give you a commission when signing up.
Please
and
use
also,
the link.
Yeah.
Use the link.
That will give you basically a commission when signing up, and it also basically give us a commission when we basically trade. So it's basically a win-win for both of us.
Because we're hustlers, like
Yes.
you.
So let's get it. So first, like I said, it's obviously just go to the HFM, or you can use the link down in the description. So whichever one you want to use, you can just go. So just click on the link, obviously. So just use the link here. So once you click that link, it will take you directly to a sign-up page. So from this point on, this is where you basically start your sign-up procedure.
Yes.
So I will just leave this to Mr. Dayan Peffer to continue. So which country you belong to, Mr. D?
Namibia.
Namibia. Okay, so that's South Africa.
Yes. It's already there. Don't worry about me, guys. Just keep going with life. Well, now the password.
Okay, so once you have your password, you can just clearly see there is privacy like any other platform. And obviously I forgot to mention that HFM is a regulated Forex broker, and I will cover more details in the video with going over the full platform later on. So let's just go on. So after you've done this, you can just say register.
Oh, yes.
So you can see that your account verify email has been sent to your email. So this is the next step in the signing up process. We'll just say click this for now as a quick authentication. Say verify email. Shit, I think you're gonna have to do this on your phone. So if the browser's not logged in here, you're gonna have to either do this where you are logged into your browser. So Dayan's is basically on his phone at the moment.
I am. Alright.
After the email has been sent, you'll just click in the account number that has been emailed to you, which can be different. So the one entering is Dayan's and not yours. I think this is it already, Mr. D.
526.
It should be this here.
Alright.
So once you have this account email which was emailed to you and your password you created on the sign up, you can just click login.
Okay.
And there we go.
Yes.
So here's just more information. After you have done your initial process by logging in, you'll just click in your first name. So you'll just click this information.
You might notice that I am not saying Dayan.
Yeah.
Legally, my name is still Dayan. Complicated story there.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's another story for sessions with Dayan.
Oh yes, vlogs with Dayan.
Which they're coming soon, guys. They're coming soon.
Yes. Hopefully you will. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you guys will enjoy.
And obviously on the channel we'll have a lot of, and you can see already with me, I've covered a lot of topics with regards to Bitcoin. So Dayan will obviously cover more topics with regards to Forex, for example. So the 21st.
Such a good friend. He remembers my birthday.
This is just see if your account runs your account to be ZAR USD. So I think for all South African people with ZAR and for all foreign people USD. You have read all the terms and conditions, so you'll just click continue. So once with this, it's just going to ask you for more information with regards to your street address. So just more information, obviously what's the street.
This segment, we can
we can just
cut it away. I don't want them to know where I stay.
So just click USD, obviously less than annual income, so that you can just click all the less amounts. So obviously you want to do this, which is, let's say, college. Employee statements is, I'm just going to say employed, industry.
It would be probably like
economics.
admin and And, yeah.
Okay, source of income is just your salary. Then this is so all this information just with regards to yourself, obviously. So just say continue. Then no thanks. And that's basically the full complete process with regards to things. So there's just more levels of how long you've been trading yourself. Say you'll say less than a year. Which instrument do you use? Obviously just Forex, CFDs, spread binding. Yeah. So which following instrument have you been traded before? Okay, yeah. We've obviously traded Forex before. What is the average of your trades? So I would say over per year, less than trades per year, less than 10 trades per year. So I would say it's the first one, over 100 trades per year. So because currently we've only been trading for about 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah, so obviously we'll say the least, obviously do the least amount because you're still new to Forex, so you don't always only use as much as you can. So how much leverage impact your trading. So use leverage can modify profits or losses, use leverage to leads. Yeah, so I think above all, so both of them used to always to have impact trading. So it's both of them. Which of the following statements correct regarding CFD? I don't know because we're not sure with regards to CFD trading. Your financial product you've never owned this actual assets. Yeah. So this is the final step in the sign up process. So you can just do something similar to this if you also, because we also new to trading itself. So just click save and continue. And there we go. So this is just more information with regards to the T's and C's. And this is now just obviously when you choose an account, but this here we'll obviously cover in the next video, so don't need to worry about this. This is basically just signing up to HFM markets. So once you've done that, I think there's one final step to activating your account, which is just verifying your account information, which is I think the ID.
Oh yes.
So yeah, it's just uploading your ID document to HFM to make sure this is you. So just click on proof of, yeah. So just click desktop. So this is obviously you'll do this on your side. So just click on, where did we save that?
I feel like it's asking for a colored go. See there.
We'll just see, man, if it gets approved. If it doesn't, you can obviously just come back to this, but this is just an example also to see. And obviously one proof of address. Okay, shit, I forgot about this. So proof of address again. So with regards to this information, you can obviously just upload your ID, which is straight simple. You just get a PDF and upload your ID, and proof of address can either be a recent cash bill, phone number, or electricity bill, or bank statement. So any of these ones you can use to basically just do the final step on, but we will not do it in this video now. So this is an example. You just click browse on your PC and then select it on your stuff. So you'll just click upload, and that will basically be the process to getting your account verified. So you can see Diane's one is currently pending, and I think it usually takes about 2 days to get verified. So yeah, so that's basically the full step into signing up with HFM. So if you, like I said, if you're new and about to sign up, make sure to use the link down below, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to share it with friends and family. So
yes,
that was the entry level video into HFM. Make sure to watch the upcoming videos with regards to getting a more deeper understanding of it, and also we will go over the mobile app of HFM markets on this. And also want to say, give another shout out to HFM for actually supporting the channel and also giving us the opportunity to be a partner with them. So yeah, so until the next video, thanks for Mr. D for coming out and using his time actually and his information to do this video. So yeah,
and I'll be here a lot more.
Yeah, this is just the beginning of Diane or Dylan or whichever you guys prefer to call him. So yeah, until the next video, peace out.